In this lecture, we'll build a formula for the posterior probability, the probability that y equals to k, given that x equals to little x. Okay, let pi sub k equal the probability that y equals to k. This is the prior probability that y equals to k. Also, let f sub k of x be the probability that x equals to x, given that y equals to k. Okay? Now, by Bayes' rule, the probability that y equals to k given x equals to little x is equal to this, the probability that x equals to x given y equals to k, times the probability that y equals to k divided by this sum. Okay, and here L ranges from 1 through big K. Okay, here we assume that little k can take on the values 1 through big K. Okay, let me write that here. So little k can take on the values 1 through big K. Okay, these are like the classes. Okay, now note this probability here is f sub k of x. This right here is pi sub k. And here we rewrite this as f sub l of x, and this probability here as pi sub l. That's the sum as L ranges from 1 to big K. Okay, here we just switch these around. So here I have pi k and then fk of x. Same thing in the bottom. I just switch the two terms. Okay, now we can think of the probability that y equals to k given x equals to little x as a function of little x, and denote it as p sub k of x. So p sub k of x is equal to this here. That's what we just calculated. Okay, now remember p sub k of x is the posterior probability that y equals to k, given that big X equals little x.